Well, welcome to week 5. A draft of your reference list and Driscoll reflection is due on Friday. So, again, we're working on project 1. We are drafting it. And what a complete draft is for this course. Here is a reading in our book that you can use to how to draft your writing through a lens. Okay? Reminder again of our AI use policy. Of course, you can use AI as a research tool. Well, we've already done that. Mechanical polish. Yes. You need to send your work through an AI tool like Grammarly, which I believe at this time you'll have it available free in the university, and it may be just on university computers. I'm not sure at this time. Word editor feature, yes, you have that available. It's built into Word. If you don't know how to use the editor feature, there is a link on our course information to a video that shows you how to do that. Generative AI as a writer, no, you cannot use Gemini to write your crap analysis of any of this stuff. I've been doing this a long time. I can generally tell the voice of AI, of Gemini, and a freshman or sophomore or junior in college. So you can't use it to write your Driscoll reflection sections either. That's a prohibited statement. I will run it through Gemini and ask it, does this sound like it was written, with a artificial intelligence, and it will tell me, and then we'll have a different discussion. Transparency statement. At the bottom of everything you write, you have a header, transparency statement, and you say, this is how I used AI for this work. Instructor feedback. Yes, I only do one time. That's the drafts that we submit. I look at those. If you need more support, you can use your writing circle or the writing center. And when you submit your final version, I compare it to the draft. Here is your submission instructions. You upload it as a Word file, submit it. These file formats are not accepted. OneDrive users, no, don't submit a link to your drive. That's not accepted. And naming conventions, here's how you do it. Your last name, your first name, and project 1. Okay. Here's standard submissions, feedback and deadlines. And here's just quality control for you to check and extra credit. Again, as always, if you have questions about anything, email me, Zoom meeting, or extra credit discussion. Little long video, I'm sorry, but a lot to cover. Bye.